Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew Sedillo, and I have with me today
Ida D'Antonio-Hangen.
All right, welcome, Ida. Ida will be using virtual reality with her students this fall semester, and we've just went through a tour of our Metaversity campus. We actually played around with a lot of the tools that are available. And Ida, I'm dying to know, what are your first thoughts about everything?
Oh, I think this is amazing. To be able to really do a lot of practicals in the classrooms and bring it into an online format is just amazing. This is just the next wonderful step in this. So it's exciting.
Great. Do you want to talk a little bit about your class?
Yeah. So for this fall semester, it's forensic law, and so what I do in the classroom, I'd like to replicate in virtual reality. So we're going to be doing some crime scenes and some maybe, what do we say? We were going to do the body death, I guess, looking at different death times and looking at bodies and determining maybe what time they died and things like that, gross things like that. And so, yeah, using what I teach in the classrooms, hands-on, like with fingerprints and searching and going to mock crime scenes and doing it, the crime scenes, we're going to bring it all virtually. So it's so exciting. I look forward to the students having this opportunity online if they can't take the class in person.
Yeah, thanks for sharing that. It sounds like it's a true crime junkie's dream to actually get to live out some of the podcasts or even TV show episodes that they actually watch. And we're excited to support Ida as well in helping her design these immersive learning experiences. So definitely follow along. We'll be creating a lot of video content, sharing how we work with Ida to create these experiences, and then also share just a little bit of information about her thoughts on using this technology, what her students are saying. So Ida, is there anything else you want to share?
No, I'm hoping that the students will embrace this with an open mind because, people my generation, at first it's like, it's something new, it's something different. But once you get some practice in it and get going, it opens up opportunities that you wouldn't have online. So, yeah, this is a really good thing.